Where are my glasses? Sheesh, where are my glasses?
ああ、ごめん。大丈夫?
Oh, sorry about that. Are you okay?
I'm so sorry. I hope you're all right.
Hello, Mari here. Yes, I seem to have glided off target. It looks like I'm in a school of some sort. What? Well, you told me to enter into Japan covertly. Don't you have the Euro people work this out? Just be there for my extraction later, okay? Thanks.
Yeah, this is Mari. Yeah, the wind picked up and took me off target. It looks like I landed on a school of some sort. What? Well, you were the one who told me to enter Japan covertly. That's not my problem. That's for you and the Euro people to work out. Just make sure you're there for my extraction, okay? Thanks.
Hello, Mari here. Yes, but I think I glided off target. It looks like I'm on the roof of a school or something. What? You're the one who told me to enter into Japan covertly. Why don't you have the Euro branch work this out? Just be there for my extraction later, okay? Thanks.
君、いい匂い。LCL の香りがする。
You smell good, like LCL. One of my favorite smells in the world.
Oh. You smell pretty nice. Actually, you smell like LCL.
君、面白いね。じゃ、このことは他言無用で。ネルフのワンコくん。
Your smell. I said I like it. But let's pretend that I wasn't here. That cool with you, Nerfly?
Makes you pretty interesting. Right, well, let's keep all this between us. Okay with you, Nerve Doggy?